Hello everyone and welcome back to TradeGym. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. We are proceeding in the next week of expiry and markets are at a very crucial point right now, I'd say. Uh, because I remember Friday ko everything was looking like bearish. Bank Nifty, if we'll see, Bank Nifty fell. Bank Nifty fell around 500 points, seven around 800 ka high laga ke it fell down to 300 or something. And if we go on the hourly chart, it also shows that it has broken the trend line which it was respecting for quite some time now. Once, twice, thrice, and then four, and then fifth time usne break ki, and then super trend has also given a sell signal on an hourly chart, right? So, but there's still this one thing that is looking very weird, that Nifty could be, Nifty is very strong and it will probably break out. And if Nifty breaks out, I think ये जो बैंक निफ्टी का फॉल आया था, this was just a trap. This could be a trap because if you see, if we go and see Nasdaq and S&P, for example, if you see S&P made a low that day, and then in the end it went up. It went up like anything, and it closed almost at the high. If you see the whole day, it was choppy यहाँ से, and then it didn't break yesterday's low. It did try to hit a low, and then उसके बाद उसमें एक sharp recovery आई. Similarly with Dow, I remember when we were trading in the afternoon, Dow was continuously falling यहाँ पे, and this was why I was hoping that markets will go up from this point, and that is why I was long. And then but Dow was continuously falling, तो यहाँ पे stop losses hit हुए, but then Dow also recovered sharply, and then because of this, I think Nifty also went up, like it went up quite fast. If you see यहाँ पे, there was a good recovery on Nifty, and the other reason being that it was near the support zone and everything. I mean, all the points were coming in one, you know so, what I feel is that if you see on an hourly chart, MACD can give a crossover over here, and then Nifty could probably break out over here, and then we can see upper levels, like probably tomorrow only, if not then day after. Because this is a very obvious setup of selling, and I mean, we should go down from here technically, but these days markets are defying all the technicals. So I think the odds. So basically, what I'm trying to say over here is that the big players, they'll earn more if the market goes up from here and not down, because they know that most of the retails are short over here, and they'll get good amount if they'll you know go up. If the market goes up, they'll get good amount. And risk to reward obviously is favorable in shorts over here, but ज़रूरी नहीं है ऐसा. I mean, people who are long from here, they don't care about risk to reward. So ये बहुत बड़ी candle थी. Many people build their positions exact 50% पे support लेके market has gone up from there. And I think, if you see the larger picture, we're still in a very good uptrend, and the trend is intact. It's just that we don't break Friday's low and we continue taking support on this and we go up. Because if you see, Nasdaq has been crazy. Nasdaq has made another high. It broke from its range, and the beauty of a breakout is that only कि it has been consolidating, and जैसे ही उसने range breakout किया, it went up 100 points straight from 750 till 850, and it's closing at all-time high. So uh, so things are a little bit complicated right now, but I but if you see the option data also, option data suggests that there are a lot of shorts in the system for Bank Nifty and as well as Nifty. If you see, the calls being written are like 19 lakhs and puts around 18. So Nifty is still fine. I mean, they just need one 10 lakhs more and they'll be good. But the huge open interest on 800 shows gives the opposite signal. So it's a very complicated market right now. Trading wouldn't be easy, and probably what will happen is the direction cannot be deciphered right now. कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, but it's just that as long as we are in range, it's better to buy around 10,700 and keep it till 750 or 760 is a good target. And then if you're not breaking 850 in future levels, then you can go short. But if you're breaking 850 and you're sustaining above it for 5 to 50 for 15 minutes around, then we can see a good up move, which can take us around 960 levels. So that is it. Let's see tomorrow morning how it opens and where it opens, because I think we're gonna be bullish. Let's see what happens. Thank you and a very happy trading.